Our title is The World of Animals. The earth is a home to a variety of plants and animals. Like plants, even the animals found on this planet are very diverse in nature. These creatures differ from each other in their food and feeding habits, nesting habits, modes of locomotion, and many other characteristics. In this chapter, we will study about some of these variations. Habitats. Animals live everywhere on the earth. The place where an animal lives or is found naturally is called its habitats. These are five main habitats on the earth. These are forest, desert, polar region, ocean, and freshwater. Let's know and discuss them in detail. First one is forest, as you can see here. Okay, a forest is a vast region that it covers densely by the trees. You can see here, okay, and different varieties of small plants. Do you see? Isn't it? It provides shelter to the animals like lion, tiger, deer, fox, monkey, which live on the land and trees. It also gives shelter to animals like rat and snakes that lives inside the burrows. Small animals and insects are also found in this forest. Okay? Desert. A desert is a sandy and dry region as it receives very little rainfall. It is usually hot during the day and cold at night. Due to these reasons, the animals found here have special features that helps them to live in such harsh conditions. Many desert animals have a thick skin that helps them to avoid water loss throughout the sweating. Many others hid in their burrows to escape the heat. Some animals can even store water and food in their body. Some, for example, of the desert animals are camel, scorpion, desert tortoise. Okay? Polar region. The region near the north and the south pole of the earth are called as polar region. The north pole is named Arctic and the south pole is called as Antarctica. They are also covered with ice and snow. Similarly, the high altitude mountains are also covered with snow all round the year. The animals found here have developed special features to cope with such cold weather. Their bodies are covered with fur. Most of the animals have a thick layer of fat beneath the fur, which keep them warm. Many animals live in groups to protect themselves from the cold, like penguin, polar bear, snowy owl. Okay, these are some examples. Ocean. An ocean is a vast and continuous body of salty water. It is the largest habitats on the earth. A large variety of animals are found here. Some of them are whale, dolphin, seahorse, and octopus. These animals are well adapted to live in the salty water. Fresh water. Fresh water is naturally occurring water on the earth's surface. It contains minimal quantities of dissolved salt. Some examples of freshwater habitats are pond, lake, river, streams, and etc. These kinds of habitats give shelter to the number of animals like fish, frog, toad, duck, swan, crane, and number of insects. Now let's see what is this body covering. In order to adjust to the different kinds of environment conditions of the habitats, animals have different types of body covering. Some of them are like birds. The body of birds is primarily covered with feathers. Feathers keep them warm and protect them from moisture. Thus, they help it maintaining the body temperature. They also help the birds to fly. Animals like yak, bear and sheep have the fur on their body. It helps them to keep the animals warm by protecting it against rain and cold. Animals like lizard, snail and fish have a layer of dry to overlapping scales. These scales protect the underneath skin and also prevent loss of water in some animals. Another commonly found body covering is shell. It is a very hard and strong. Shells can be seen in land and in ocean animals like turtle, tortoise and snail. These animals draw their head and feet into the shell and hide themselves to protect by their enemies.